Hi, this is Shikha, a naturopathy expert from Lucknow. Today, I will give presentation on magnet therapy. Let's understand what is magnet therapy. Chumbak Chikitsa. Magnet therapy is a therapeutic practice in which naturopath place magnets on varying sizes and strength on the body of the patient to relieve pain and treat disease. It is a painless naturopathy treatment that hardly has any side effects. People exercise this therapy by buying magnetic belts for different body parts like knee, abdomen, wrist, or wearing them as magnetic necklaces, glasses, and bracelets. The design of the magnets helps communicate with the body's energy system and have great influence on cellular and organic activities. How to use magnets as a treatment in magnetic therapy? Let's understand. Studies state that our body cells emit electromagnetic impulses that must not be disturbed. Imbalanced magnetic and electric fields present inside the body can lead to certain problems like headaches and more. Things might turn normal again by placing a magnetic field near your body, as ions like calcium and potassium present in our cells send commands. Generally, naturopath doctors practice this form of therapy on the outer side of the body. Some use magnet with acupuncture needles to treat energy pathways. Applying magnetic field to the wound or damage to help improve blood flow and oxygen that will enhance the body's natural healing process. How to use magnets as a treatment in magnetic therapy? Many studies and clinical trials have been conducted to test the success rate of magnetic field therapy. There has been a positive result that shows potential in the treatment for back pain. This picture shows how magnet works. In first picture, you can see the artery in which the blood is flowing, and away from the heart there is another you see in the diagram. In this picture, below the wrist we place a powerful magnet. Then you can see the change of blood circulation in this field. The magnetic field, there is no magnetic field, and blood is here and there, irregular in shape. And another picture, after the use of magnet, you can see the magnetic field is very balanced. Blood flow through capillaries. In one capillary, you can see the magnetic field very imbalanced, and in other picture you can see the balanced magnetic field. Separation of blood cells increases the available surface area, which allows cell to pick up more oxygen and release more energy. What is magnetic field therapy used for? Scientists have found there are certain conditions in which this form of therapy can be used as magnet therapy. In naturopathy, helps in balancing the energy, improving circulation to applied areas, increasing warmness in the body. Conditions diagnosed or treated include arthritis pain, wound healing, insomnia, headaches, fibromyalgia pain, cancer, circulatory disorders. What is the uses of magnetic field therapy? Let's understand. Diabetic neuropathy, nerve disease, HIV, AIDS, immune dysfunction, multiple sclerosis, muscle pain, sciatica, asthma, back pain, hypertension, depression, wrist pain, diabetic peripheral neuropathy. Certain precautions should be exercised while practicing magnets. Some of them are: after applying magnets, avoid any eatable or cold drinks. Similarly, for a cold bath, avoid placing strong or medium powered magnets to sensitive organs like the brain. Pregnant women must avoid placing strong magnets over the womb or otherwise. Keep magnetized water out of the reach of children and add in small quantities. Magnets must not be in contact with moisture or humidity. Moreover, during the application of magnets, ensure you are not using the wrong pole. In this picture, you can see magnets on back. How can we put magnets on back? In your spinal cord. In this picture, you can see how magnets we put on around the knees or leg joint. In this picture, we can see the place of magnets on the back. Women receiving magnet therapy in this picture. In this picture, we can see the magnet on the shoulder for shoulder pain, muscle pain, sprain. In this picture, you can see the magnets around the knee or whole magnetic field around the knee. So, you can see in these presentations how magnet therapy or magnetic field enhances your body's magnetic field or magnetic aura, and you can treat many diseases by using this. This is the natural process. So, I hope you will learn a lot. Thank you so much.